Welcome, class, to lesson 4-9. Strong mathematicians can use addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division to solve problems that involve more than one step. A continuation of all those great things that we've been working on of multi-step word problems. So take out your pencil, your notebook, write down today's date, the name of the lesson, and let's get started. So our vocabulary, don't need to write this down, as you know. Our strategies for word problem: put the pencil down, read the problem twice and visualize what the problem is telling you, circle the question you define, relax and persevere, you got this, and label, label, label. So with that, let's dive into some examples today. Miss Kami is ordering pizza for a party. Each pizza will be cut into 8 slices. 3 pizzas will have multiple toppings, and the others will be plain cheese. How many slices of pizza, plain cheese pizza, is Mr. Kamian ordering for the party? All right, a lot going on there. Let's even do this one. Miss Kami is ordering 5 pizzas for a party. So with that, I like to draw it. I'm a visual learner. So I got 5 pizzas for the party. All right. Each pizza will be cut into 8 slices. So there'll be 8 here, 8 here, 8 here, 8, and 8. 3 pizzas will have multiple toppings. So circle these 3. They have MT for multiple toppings. And the other pizzas will have plain cheese on them. Look at that, cheese. So how many slices of plain cheese pizza is Mr. Kamian ordering for the party? Well, look at that. It looks like I almost have all my work done for me. So how would I write this into an equation to see? I guess there are a couple different ways I can do this one. So we're going to take this one. We're going to have 5. There are 5 pizzas and 8. So we're going to have 3. Wow, I'm really struggling here. I'm at a loss. I mean, my drawing out really helped me answer the problem without having to write an equation. So let's see how we would do this one. That there'd be 5 times, so we'd have all these pizzas. That means we're going to have 5 times 8, because that'd be how many slices of all the pizzas we have. And we know 3 pizzas will have multiple toppings, minus 3 times 8, because those would be the ones that have multiple toppings, would equal straight up cheese. So that means 40 minus 24 equals C. And that would mean 16 equals C. So that means I have, for my label, 16 slices of plain cheese pizza. I would prefer if it was Hawaiian. Favorite kind of pizza. So there was said, even by drawing it out, helped me actually get to the answer without even writing an equation, but we need to write equations as to practice that skill. So that was one way of doing it. Is there other ways to solve this problem? You betcha, and maybe you can find one. That would be awesome. So you can pause the video, write down this information to help you with your word problems. Said, in art class, Ernesto made some fruit bowls for his mother and brother. 9 apples can be placed in each bowl. Ernesto's brother placed 18 apples in the bowls he was given, and Ernesto's mother placed 36 apples in the bowls she was given. How many fruit bowls did Ernesto make? So let's read this again. In art class, Ernesto made some fruit bowls. We don't know how many he made, but he made some bowls for his mother and his brother. 9 apples can be placed into each bowl. Ernesto's brother placed 18 apples in the bowls he was given, and Ernesto's mother placed 36 apples in the bowls she was given. How many fruit bowls did Ernesto make? So if you look at her brother, it says that he has 18 apples. Well, 18 apples, and we know that 9 apples can be placed in each bowl. So that would be Ernesto's brother right there, plus, now his mother could place 36 apples in her bowl, so 36, and we know that 9 go into each of them, which then would mean equals how many B for bowls, because we've got Ernesto's brother, we have Ernesto's mother, and with that, we can figure out how many bowls he's made. So 18 divided by 9 would equal 2. 36 divided by 9 would equal 4, which equals B, which would mean B would equal, if we had 2 plus 4, would be 6 bowls Ernesto made. Probably should add fruit bowls too, 6 fruit bowls, since we're putting apples in them. And there you go. So you can pause that one. You can write down that problem to help you out with your examples. Now you can draw a line on your paper. Right now, box 3. Now your turn. You're going to use an equation to solve this one. So Miss Hiroth bought 9 trees for $40 each. She paid for her purchase with 4 $100 bills. how much change did she receive? So you can read the problem again, pause the video, see if you need to draw a picture to help you out, or write an equation and solve it. I look forward to seeing what you come up with as your answer. And another problem that uses an equation to solve. So a pet shop is home to 6 cats, 10 birds, 3 dogs, and 18 tropical fish. Altogether, how many legs do these pets have? So a good visual question to help you out. So make sure you reread the problem, pause it right now, and work your way out to answer that question and using it in an equation form. I look forward to seeing your work on the animal pet shop problem. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to share them out or write them down. If you have any strategies that you use to help you, make sure you include those and share those out for those who still might be struggling. And thanks again for another great lesson.